the spirit that quickeneth, but the flesh profited nothing. Therefore, the words that I speak to you, they are spirit and they are life. The next few minutes that we have is that moment where you are craving for a baptism, so that your appetite can be changed, because you will be turned into another man. You want me to be. I came here with nothing, but all you have given me, Jesus, bring new wine out of bed. Make me your vessel. Make me an offering. Make me whatever you want me to be. I came here with nothing, but all you have given me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. I came here with nothing, but all you have given me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Where there is new wine, there is new fire, there is new freedom. The kingdom is here. I lay down my whole thing. Where there is new wine, there is new power, there is new freedom. The kingdom is here. I lay down my own faith to carry your new fire. Oh, today, where there is new wine, there is new power, there is new freedom. His kingdom is here. I lay down my own faith to carry on you. I need you to crave for a baptism this morning and say, Lord, I know the baptism that I am of. I come that you will bring me into your baptism. I come that you will turn me into another kind of man, such that my appetite will be altered, and I will begin to crave for the only thing that pleases you. And I will be that man that will bring my flesh under subjection. Usikobalai barude akamonde ya barude gaski soma kandomile ruta kaburia tabasite ababra to akabuske teli. What baptism are you of? Make me your vessel. Make me an offering. Make me whatever you want me to be. Make me your vessel. Make me an offering. Make me whatever you want me to be. Theo came here with nothing, but all you have given me, Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Jesus, bring new wine out of me. Oh, Jesus, bring new out of me. I know that you will need to crush the old me. Help me yield to your crushing. Oh Jesus, make fresh wine out of me, Lord. And you better come home and I to fail. Osafaraka mi jena ngwane kole. Idebene kami na beteno. Ruane kabasi sopela mani ane kobeli ama. Where there is new wine, there is new fire, there is new freedom. The kingdom is here. I lay down my own flame to carry on new fire. Ayana bakuteme nene ketumeneni. Let me never take a lemonade. Escomena ya tumere. Rabadino feel like coming. Etemene kidobe. Idebelene na varie. Aramena kaya jovenio. Etebia de benani no like kamanachile. Aramena fide kainene ile ferrano. Cry to him for a kind of baptism. My aim this morning is that a people will emerge, a people who are truly baptized. Akaburia kapachata kandoka pita. Kube kumasiki fankayatani. Lovereketuni akatanias. A people that will be totally separated from the world and married to Jesus. Antoni Kumboroni. Oh Holy Ghost, I hear that you are looking for men. I hear that you are looking for men. Here am I. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever. Take me deeper than my feet can never carry me. My faith will be made stronger in the presence. Ayakaburia, Meferetamina. Spirit, lead me on. Let me walk wherever you will call me. Take me deeper than my feet. My faith will be made stronger. But a people who are truly separated. What baptism are you of? What baptism are you of? What baptism are you of? Let me walk upon the waters. Take me deeper, Lord. Hey, Jakanai Feliatani. Rote Kamasi. Robilele Mobe. Kiachene Meneki Manaine. A people who believe God for a baptism, a baptism, a baptism, a baptism. A people who truly are saying, Lord, I cannot continue like this. Bring me the baptism of fire. I Reach out to him this morning. The baptizer is here, and he wants to baptize. He wants to baptize this morning. The baptizer. Reach out to him this morning. The baptizer. The baptizer. He turns men into another kind of man. He turns men. He's here this morning to turn you into another kind of man. That one whose appetite, that one whose appetite will only be for him. He turns men. This morning, until reach out to him. Reach out to him. Reach out to him and say, Lord, bring me into your kind of baptism. Bring me into your kind of baptism. Bring me into your kind of baptism. A fresh baptism tonight. A fresh baptism, Jesus Christ. A fresh baptism. A fresh baptism. A fresh baptism. A fresh baptism. Like fire, like rain, let your glory. Like fire, like rain, let it fall. Like fire, like rain, let your glory fall. Like fire. Spirit of the sovereign Lord, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of the living God. Spirit of the sovereign Lord, come and make your presence known. Reveal the glory of the living God. Let the weight of your glory cover us. Let the light of your river flow. Let the truth of your kingdom reign in us. Let the weight of your glory, let the weight of your glory fall. I see Jesus. The baptizer is here. Ekomosite, eperuta manstiki fitelia, emefina ikoko atas. Oh my God. The baptizer is here. He comes to prune. He's pruning. Woo! I see Jesus seated on his throne. I see Jesus Rugamania Kaliande, Sieketoni Nagalaita, Robin against Osayi, and the Vegia Kemina Famas, Rubemele Kaina Menda, Semine Perio Cominis, Folie Benigade in the Veneta, Atsaminania Kadema, the Robenia Kame, Somenanile. Seated on his throne. When you are here, 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 sickness disappear. When you are here, chains are broken. Now that you are here, demons tremble. Now that you are here, yokes are shattered. Now that you are here, Father of spirits. Now that you are here, when you are here, hearts are set on fire. You are here, Lord. And the Korea Mandisudeli, Antafarakabolanta, Bakatuka Bakatulakas, Leperetekia Kumanakalabias, and Pepepekatubakata, Radapakatuata Kabatas, Rakapuata Kabatuantana. Terreneni Chovakadiatas, Iapaparatabatas, and the dread of Gorilla Borata, yes, yes, yes. You are here. You are here. You are here. Eyes are opening. I see somebody's spiritual sight. Their eyes are being washed. Oh, now that you are here, every spirit bow to the Father of spirits, the Holy One of Israel. Jesus, He is here. We have entered where the blood is. We have entered the covenant place. We have entered We have entered. We have come to the blood of sprinkling. We have entered. Yeah. We have entered. We have entered the covenant place. We have entered. Oh my God, we have entered. See. Open your eyes and see him. See him. See him. Welcome to Mount Zion. Welcome to Mount. I tell you, we are not alone anymore. You have come to the innumerable company of angels, to the spirit of judgment made perfect. Welcome to the church of the firstborn. Welcome to the blood of sprinkling. Welcome to the spirit of judgment perfect. Welcome to that blood that speaketh better things than the blood of Abel. Hiya kapuria takabas, hakaluka baratas, sobeka bonta kabale, rubaka sikombala, rubaka takatuma, yada baba wakata malaita, rutamba kwatanas, etebeka tumana kalabaruda, yada baba wakatas, atebreto beka stiva lama. So many fredomia. I tell you by the Spirit, we are no longer alone. Welcome to Mount Zion, the city of the living God. Welcome to the heavenly Jerusalem. Welcome to the innumerable company of angels. We have angels amidst us. They are called ministers. Oh my God. Some of you will begin to feel a literal touch, and it is not your neighbor that is standing by you that touched you. It is God in his infinite mercy that it, oh my God, Rabbi Tobakamba Stefana Vorona Bakasufelete into Bekamunde Yatuagabata Atanda Lavaruda Gabi Mefenia Tola Makaila. Yes. Yes, we have entered. We have entered. Oh. Appetite will change today. Will change this morning because you have come into a new baptism. Because a new man has emerged in your body. And your testimony will be that I live, yet not I that live, but Christ that lives through me. And for some of us, what is happening to us this morning is an upgrade. It's an upgrade that this fire will never go down. It was said to the priest in the book of Leviticus that you must make sure that the fire upon this altar must be burning morning, noon, and night. I enter the holy of holies. I enter by the blood of the Lamb. I enter I see you only. I enter to honor. I stand in the holy of holies. I stand here by the blood of the Lamb. I stand here to worship you only. I stand here to honor. I stand here, the holy of holies. I stand